Effective English language learning made easy with these 7 simple methods. Studying a language like English as a second language may be a difficult endeavor, but it will be well worth your time and effort to learn the language in the beginning so that you can get the feel of things. Having a strong command of the English language will make your time spent abroad more enjoyable. You also do not have to wait for the newest book or movie to be translated into your native language in order to enjoy them, even if they are the top sellers in their respective genres. The following are some useful pointers that will assist you in your endeavor by teaching you English in a more efficient manner. 1. Spend more time learning phrases than words. When learning English, or any other language for that matter, you shouldn't focus on memorizing individual words since doing so makes little sense without the benefit of knowing the context in which they are used. Instead, you should focus on memorizing whole sentences. It is considerably simpler to commit the meanings of words to memory if you are already familiar with both the terms' definitions and the contexts in which they are often employed. 2. Obtain knowledge by hearing. Although reading textbooks may be an effective way to improve your command of the English language, you shouldn't depend on them exclusively. While textbooks are an excellent resource for enhancing your knowledge of grammar and vocabulary, it's possible that they won't be of much use to you when it comes to actually carrying on a conversation. Learning English by reading is not as effective as learning it through hearing if your goal is to improve your spoken English. You'll be able to pick up valuable vocabulary and grammar without even realizing it or having to commit it to memory if you listen to more audio content. 3. Get a placement test. Finding out what your present level of English proficiency is before beginning any kind of learning plan is very important, since it will help you figure out what kind of program you should follow. For E.G., you will get a comprehensive English curriculum if your level is approximately intermediate or below, and you will receive a personalized study plan if your level is upper intermediate or above. You can quickly determine your level with us. Just click here to get a free online placement exam. 4. Prioritize quality above quantity. When it comes to mastering any language, the emphasis should be placed on the quality of the instruction above the quantity. Instead of trying to acquire a large number of new words in a short amount of time, you should concentrate on mastering one word and then using it in a variety of contexts. Because of this, you won't end up feeling overwhelmed by all the information. In addition, by using this approach, you will be able to more deeply embed the meaning of individual words and phrases into your brain. Because of this, you won't find it so easy to forget about them. 5. Improve your grammatical skills by reading point-of-view tales. Listening to short tales that are retold in a variety of tenses is one of the most effective methods to learn grammar. You will find that your improvements to your English grammar come more easily and organically as a result of doing this. If one narrative begins with, "I don't like bananas, but I want to eat one," then the second story need to begin with, "I didn't like bananas, but I wanted to eat one." 6. Instead of listening and just repeating what was said, listen and respond. If you want to enhance your English, you shouldn't follow the advice given in English textbooks, which is to repeat after the speaker. Instead, come up with your own methods to learn the language. You should respond to the questions that are posed rather than mechanically repeating the words or phrases that are being spoken by the speaker. For instance, if you are watching a video or listening to a podcast, you should stop at every 20 to 30 seconds and write a condensed version of what has been said. 7. Attend a tutorial on the internet. The internet provides access to a great number of different online classes. A fast search on Google can present you with a list of companies that provide training. However, if you are completely reliant on the one-on-one Skype courses for your improvement, it has the potential to become rather pricey. Adding an online self-study English course to your current English classes is one approach to reduce the overall cost of your education. When you use the online program as a complement to your regular courses, you cut your expenses for those sessions by more than half, which results in an overall cost reduction of more than 50%.